How to transfer WhatsApp chats without backup. So if you want to transfer your WhatsApp chats without the backup, then first you need to open up your WhatsApp application and go with the top right, which has that 3-bar icon. Tap on settings. Now under settings, you need to go with the chats option, and here you need to scroll all the way down and you will have an option of transfer chats. So if you're using Android, then you will have the same kind of interface, but if you're using your iOS devices, then you will have an option of transfer chats from iPhone to iPhone. It's the same option. So you just need to simply tap on transfer chats and you can transfer your chat history to your Android phone. So you just need to simply go with start, which is on the bottom, but make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected on the other device and make sure that the location is turned on and make sure to connect to the same Wi-Fi device on both the phones and tap on start and then tap on continue and allow nearby services, and after that wait for it to load. And once it finds the device, then you just need to simply connect to the device. Once you've connected to your new device, then you will have this QR code option, right? So you just need to simply go and scan the QR code on your new phone. And once you scan the QR code on the new phone, then it will start transferring your chats without backup. So that's how you can transfer WhatsApp chats without backup. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.